Need a business loan? This video reviews Credibly. Find links in the description. Credibly offers diverse financing for small and medium businesses. Known for fast funding, flexible terms, and easy applications, Credibly helps businesses needing working capital, expansion funds, or debt consolidation. They offer working capital loans, business expansion loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, and merchant cash advances. Loan amounts range from $5,000 to $400,000. Repayment terms are flexible, up to 24 months for working capital loans and up to 5 years for expansion loans. Credibly assesses your revenue and time in business, not just your credit score. Approvals often take hours, with funds deposited the next business day. Credibly is transparent about rates and fees upfront, with no hidden charges. There are no prepayment penalties. Credibly tailor solutions to your needs and cash flow, ensuring manageable loans. However, interest rates can be higher than traditional bank loans, especially for short-term funding. Carefully weigh the cost against your goals. Credibly is excellent for businesses needing fast, flexible funding with minimal paperwork and personalized service. Check the links below to explore Credibly and see if it meets your needs. This review should help you decide if Credibly is right for you.